moisture vapor barrier is a critical component in ensuring the long-term performance of an epoxy flooring system, particularly on concrete substrates prone to moisture transmission. By preventing moisture vapor from rising through the slab, the barrier helps protect epoxy flooring from issues such as blistering, delamination, and premature failure. This added layer improves adhesion and overall durability, extending the lifespan of the flooring and minimizing the risk of costly repairs or downtime. Ultimately, a moisture vapor barrier provides a stable foundation that supports consistent epoxy flooring performance in demanding commercial and industrial environments. For more information, call us at 800-928-7220 or visit our website at highperformancesystems.com.